Hi everyone, it's Miss Brandy, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a frog. So I start with the eyes. I do his face. Next I do his neck. Then I'm going to do his body. Almost make like a heart shape for his body. I do his legs. Draw some feet. Some more feet. And then we'll get some hands in there. Little frog paws. Then next we're going to do his eyes. Little nose, and he's a happy frog, so I'm going to give him a smile. So after you have your frog, I'm going to draw some butterflies for him to eat. I'm going to give him some funky eyebrows, and then I'm going to color my frog in. So the only two colors you need for this are going to be green and yellow. So I'm just going to color him in. And what's cool is you can actually color over your black marker because the crayon isn't going to overpower the black. But if we were drawing black on top of green, then it might. So coloring him in. Get his shoulders, his knees, his eyes and his face. Then I'm going to color in the butterflies yellow. And I'm also going to give the frog a little bit of yellow, just over top of the green. So you're not really seeing the yellow too much, but it almost gives them that weird neon color. And it doesn't have to be perfect. And what's cool about this frog is you could send him in a card, or you could cut him out. Really do whatever you want with them. Leave a little note. So there we go. That is how you draw a frog. And don't forget, last but not least, you gotta sign it. Boom. I hope you guys have a great day.